welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming the second part to a two-part series type thing that I am doing with Mr. Carrington here on YouTube. We have collaborated and filmed two videos each, of which the first video I filmed and uploaded on Tuesday. So if you're yet to see that, I will leave a little card up here and a link to it below. And I will also leave a link to Mr. Carrington's channel where he is also filming the other half to this collaboration. And essentially what we have done, if you did miss the first video, we have collaborated on a thrift challenge video where on the first part we went around and did some vlog style footage of like a come thrifting with me, and today is the second part where we are doing an unboxing. And essentially what we did is had a budget of £20 to spend for each other. So I went shopping for Ewan and he went shopping for me, and I've shipped off his items for him to open on camera. I hope he likes everything, and he has sent me my package. So I'm going to open this up on camera, but before I do, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's say if we hit 1,000 likes on this video, of which I haven't even checked with Ewan yet, but I'm sure he'll be down for it. We will do another collab. We have actually previously collabed before as well, so if you missed that one, I'll leave it linked below as well, where we did a 10-store thrift challenge. So all up for the challenge videos. I'm sure Ewan is up for doing more as well. So yeah, 1,000 likes for this video and we'll be sure to collaborate again in the future. So without further ado, I'm so excited. Let's open my package. I'm excited to see his video as well. I've got a couple of bits that I think he'll like, a couple of bits that I'm not sure about but would be great to redonate if they don't fit or if he doesn't like them, and then a couple of breakable items. So I'm hoping they made it safe and sound, and if not, it makes for good footage. Oh my god, this is so exciting. So there's a little note on the top for Freya. I put a little card in his as well, actually. Oh! Okay, so I'm sure he won't mind me reading this note out. So he has said, Freya, I hope you love it all. The Twin Peaks is for an on-camera attempt to break it correctly. If you missed his Poundland haul a while back, he essentially showed the correct way, in theory, to break a Toblerone or Twin Peaks. So I'm going to try it apparently. But first of all, oh, this is so exciting. Oh my god, I definitely want to do more collaborations like this. This has been so much fun. Okay, so the first item is in this black bag and I can see the Twin Peaks. I'm actually really craving some chocolate, so, and it's white chocolate, which is my favourite. I'm going to save this for the end of this video, so if you want to see the correct way to break a Toblerone, apparently, then stay tuned for that. And then this is the first item that he got me. We agreed to like keep prices on everything, but I think a couple of my items, I don't know if I think they all had prices on, but this one is, it's hard to read, does that say £2.50 or yeah, £2.50 I think. This is beautiful. This is very much my home decor. I am going to be putting a candle in this. I feel like a nice pillar candle will look really nice. It says made exclusively for Yankee Candle. There you go. So it is originally from Yankee Candle, and I have a few pillar candles like in my stockpile of candles. I have a full drawer dedicated to candles, so I think that will look quite nice, maybe downstairs in front of like the TV area or in one of the rooms downstairs. And we also both have a separate Instagram home account. If you guys like the home interior side to things, I know he also does similar to me in that we like to take snaps out and about when shopping of things that we spot in stores. So we do have home accounts on Instagram, which again I will leave linked below. So yay, thank you so much. Okay, next item. Oh my god, this is so much fun. Okay, so Ewan knows I like my neutrals. This feels really nice. Oh, lovely. Okay, this is originally Topshop and has never been worn. So this was £7.50 but reduced from £15. It's in a size 10, which is my size. St. Christopher's this is from. This material is amazing. It's got like a little keyhole cutout detail at the back. This is so me. If anyone follows me, you'll know that this is just my kind of style. And I love the high neck as well. Ah, let me try and show you the quality of the fabric close up, because it's not ribbed, it's kind of like a crepe fabric. So yay, thank you so much. Okay, next item we have wrapped up in this tissue paper. Oh, another Topshop item. Wow, you've done well spotting out the Topshops. So this one is is priced at £4. Again, Topshop in a size 10. And this one, oh, I love this. Okay, this is really pretty. It's a little like blouse style top with a little ribbon which you can tie in a bow there at the top. Again, that high neck I really like. But what I really love about this is the button down detailing at the back. This is just such a simple little blouse that I probably would pair with maybe some high-waisted jeans, maybe even a blazer. It could be quite a nice workwear top. It feels like it's been kept in really good condition. So yay! Okay, last but not least, we have this. This is so nice. And it was only £5. Okay, so this was reduced from £10 originally. Let me show you the label actually so you can see there. £10 reduced to £5, and do we have an original? Zara. Nice. God, you've done really well, Ewan, with like the Zara top shops. I find a lot of our charity shops around here just have Primark. But I did actually find a designer find, so if you do want to see what I picked up for him, then don't forget to check out the link below. Okay, so this is cute. I love a little backpack. I actually don't have one this size. I only have bigger ones for like more traveling. So I love that this is one that I can wear like a little more casually. Kind of like so, maybe with just like a nice loose knit top. Where is this from? This is from Pretty Little Thing. I've just got like a little black crop top on underneath, and I actually have my workout leggings because I'm about to go on a dog walk with a friend. So that's that. Probably with maybe like black jeans or something, just casually, you know, shopping around town. Whoop, whoop. Oh my god, this is so nice. Okay, I'm going to try on the blouses now so that you can see what they look like on. But yeah, big fan of this. I love the like ribbing and the different textures on the front. It feels really good quality. Ewan did good. Right, okay. I'm just going to try on those two blouses and then I'm going to crack into this bad boy. So let's go. Okay, of the two tops, this first one is probably my favourite. Love the high neck detail. Big fan of that. I would probably layer up some gold jewellery. I just haven't got any necklaces. I just haven't got any necklaces on at the moment. These are Primark earrings. I love like the retro kind of square design and the fact that they've got like that line detail. Love them. But yeah, I love the sleeve detail, the fact that it's a little bit flared and cropped, and again the body falls quite nicely as well on this. The fact that it's brand new Topshop, I have got a bit of makeup on it, so as always with any thrifted items, I'll always give it a hot wash first before I properly wear it out. But yeah, I'm a fan of this one. I would definitely, if I saw this in store, pick it up myself. The fact that I wear neutrals quite a lot, I do like to play around with texture, so yeah, thumbs up from me. I would style this with jeans like so, and these shoes which are from Zara last year. I got them in the sale at the bargain price of £15. And this wooden bag which is from Nasty Gal, but I know a few different shops stock this bag, so I'll leave it linked anyway. Okay, so this is the second top with the little bow detail which I've tied here. I guess you could just have it loose like so, but I quite like it in the bow. I'm loving the high necks. I think a high neck is so sophisticated and classy and elegant, and what you could just do is either dress it down with jeans like I've got on, maybe tuck it in, put some like sandals or something when it's quite warm. Like it's perfect time of the year to wear this, like springtime. Or if you're wanting to dress it up a little bit, maybe just pair it with a blazer like so. This one is just in fact this one was thrifted, but it's originally H&M. And let me get my bag. And then this I recently thrifted, so it's not from charity shop, it is real and it is thrifted. So there is a secondhand store in Manchester, which if you're new to my channel coming over from Mr. Carrington's, then I am like Manchester based or local to Manchester. So there is a shop in town, in fact there's a couple that we have, of secondhand designer items. This is one of them that I picked up. So if you are interested in finding out some designer items and a bit of a vlog for that store, I actually have recently done it within my weekly vlog, and love the fact that it's Topshop as well. Not that I'm a brand snob, obviously. These jeans are Primark. They're like some of my favourite jeans, these are. They are the straight leg. These are the vintage straight. They have straight and vintage straight. Of the two, I prefer the vintage straight, but I do also have the straight ones in 3 different colours. Okay, so there you have it. Let's end off with some chocolate, which I'm always a fan of. Now, if you don't know the way that you're meant to open Toblerone, then I feel like Toblerone would be easier than Twin Peaks, so he's really setting me a challenge here, because Twin Peaks, if you can see, they have like alternating jaggedy edges, and essentially instead of breaking it off like that, you're meant to snap it. Oh god, here we go. Broken already. It's broken here, but let's try this bit. No. But I do love chocolate, so thanks, Ewan. Oh my god. I need to go make a coffee and have this with my coffee. Okay, so make sure I've not got chocolate around my mouth. So thank you so much for watching this 2-part collaboration series I have done here with Mr. Carrington. I hope you enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you did. Again, if we get to 1,000 likes, then I will force him to do another collaboration video with me. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.